This is the Highbrow from Gerber. Ease of use was a top priority with this knife. The assisted opening mechanism is smooth and can be quickly activated by the finger flipper. The pivot lock can be accessed from both sides, which makes closing the knife really simple. Continuing with the ambidextrous design, the pocket clip can be arranged for left or right hand tip-up carry. The Highbrow is available as a full-size or compact in multiple colors. Onyx and gray are also available with a partially serrated blade. Blending high-end style with ease of use, the Highbrow takes the pocket dump up a notch.
An unparalleled combination of affordability and performance, the Tenacious is the go-to choice of countless savvy knife users. This all-new lightweight version raises the bar even further with injection-molded fiberglass reinforced nylon handle scales that reduce the knife's overall weight by almost 10% and offer the enhanced grip traction of Spyderco's signature bidirectional texture pattern. All other features are consistent with the original model, including a full flat ground 8CR13 MOV stainless steel blade, full skeletonized stainless steel liners, a 4-position pocket clip, a sturdy liner lock, and a choice of plain edge, combination edge, or spider edge blade configurations. It also comes with the choice of a satin finish or stealthy black oxide coating.
For a good working order. So 100 pounds is a great result.
Double?
Yeah, we're pretty far past the standard goal. So what at?
150, isn't it?
150 pounds.
150 pounds.
Okay. Easy. Woo! Okay.
I think that's about it, don't
Yeah,
you?
no, I would call that. That's way past.
This is the Flatiron by Gerber. Unique cleaver-style blade is ideal for heavy-duty chopping tasks or close-in detail work. 7CR stainless steel is tough and resists corrosion. The Flatiron is available in desert tan textured G10 composite or gray anodized aluminum. A thumb hole in the blade makes it quick and easy to deploy. An oversized choil on the blade gives you precision control. A frame lock with integrated over-travel disc gives you secure, confident lockup and is easy to close. It comes with a short pocket clip, positioned for tip-up carry. The Flatiron is a versatile, practical, everyday knife with a completely unique look.
In 1963, my grandfather introduced the 110 folding hunter. Totally changed our industry. In 2017, we are introducing an automatic version of that knife. For years, people have been taking our 110 folding hunter and making automatic knife out of it. This is the first 110 auto that's actually covered by our forever warranty. It's got the same classic look, folding lock back action with a twist. Got the button to deploy the knife on the side. Push the button, it's a lock back. Make sure you hear that distinctive click when you're closing it. Comes with a leather sheath that's been specially crafted to make sure this knife doesn't open when you're not ready for it. It's made in the USA, backed by our lifetime forever warranty. Really proud of this one. I think you will be too.